So most of you had asked for advice on how to be better at mathematics, or in your case, your math subject. So in this video, I'm going to share the tips that every student must apply and do when it comes to learning and improving it. Let me tell you that these tips, however, are not about the personal technique and method I used in terms of studying and improving any subject. The first tip here is that you need to be knowledgeable about the basics. Without learning the basic concepts, you will be having a hard time to understand the lessons you have right now. Second tip here is you need to differentiate between study harder and study smarter. When we say study harder, you are studying in a hard way. By doing so, you're going to exert stress and pressure to it while you're doing your best to understand a certain topic and practice some problems. Hence, you're going to exert more energy to it. On the other hand, when we say study smarter, basically you're studying in a smart way. By doing so, you're going to manage your time and stress wisely and to learn at your own pace. So you're going to use your own preferred technique in terms of studying this subject. So which is better, study smarter or study harder? The answer for that is it's up to you. But if you're going to ask for a recommendation, then the answer for that is both. So if you're going to understand a concept and to practice some problems, then I suggest you should study smarter. At least you're going to get the idea of it and you're going to get the general knowledge, especially when it comes to understanding on how to solve a particular problem. Then once you get the general knowledge of it, now try to challenge yourself by studying harder. By doing so, try to answer some of the most complicated questions instead of answering the simple questions first, or any other challenging task that you can do so that one day when you have an examination or quiz and there is a hard problem, you already know what to do. And last tip is be active in your class. By being active, just take down notes what is your professor, lecturer, or teacher is trying to explain or discuss. You can basically raise your hand to ask some questions if there are things that you don't understand or there are things that you're curious about. And try to be participative. Like try to answer the given examples in the board or the examples that the teacher had given to you so that you will have more practice in the classroom and you can have more practice at home. See, it's manageable. So these are the tips that I can share to you. So, see you soon.